Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview Jack's Magic, the Vinyl Liner Blue Stuff. What is Jack's Magic, the Vinyl Liner Blue Stuff? The Vinyl Liner Blue Stuff is an easy, effective way to keep your vinyl-lined pool free of nasty metal staining and scale buildup. Its unique formula is designed specifically to work safely with vinyl liners, even those equipped with heaters, finally giving vinyl pool owners a full-strength chemical to combat stain and scale buildup. Product benefits: highly effective in all types of vinyl liner pools. Helps prevent metal stains, including copper, and scaling in new vinyl pools. Helps to remove metal stains and scale in older vinyl pools. Be sure to check the instructions and the dosing chart before using. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.